Hi Scorpions, this is Tara with Ariana Stark. This is your monthly forecast for June 2022. Like always, I will rely on Tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also using this Oracle deck that I have here. Scorpions, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order. So please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading, Scorpions. Towards the final days of May, stepping into June 2022, we have the Magician card. Perhaps, Scorpions, you were in an investigative mood. You wanted to get to the bottom of things. I think you were also somebody who could have found yourself being dragged into ugly situations. Work-wise, I think you were very taxed. You had to complete a lot of tasks. You had to meet those deadlines. Scorpions, you would have also benefited if you had made some adjustments. But sometimes we are loath to do so. Obstacles to overcome are the challenges that June is going to present for you is the Sun card here. Maybe you're going to get a bit exasperated for no rhyme or reason. In hindsight this month, you may feel you have overreacted to situations. Or perhaps, Scorpions, you could also be assuming too much. Ideally, I think, Scorpions, you should focus on the long-term future. Even if clients don't pay up, I think you need to tackle them in a firm yet polite manner. Technically also, you could be a bit challenged in June. Influences for this month, we have the Knight of Swords here. This is a very adventurous and this is a person who has that go-getter attitude. Certainly you need to be very flexible. Maybe there are going to be unforeseen eventualities this month, so you have to attend to whatever comes up. Things will definitely go according to plan if you organize your day. I think you're also somebody who's willing to go the extra mile to earn some bucks. Maybe you're also dealing with a very whimsical person. Maybe your boss is someone who doesn't have concrete plans, or it could even be a colleague, and that is why you're a bit hassled. The first 10 days of June, we have the Page of Swords. Another swords in your reading, so definitely you're going to be somebody who is going to be quite decided. I think some of you also want to travel out of town because there are better opportunities. You want to enhance your skills. Maybe there could be issues with your parents or your loved ones over your decisions. Nevertheless, I think you're very resolved. You're determined to get ahead. You do want to further your prospects, whether at work or when it comes to learning. You're somebody who wants to take matters headlong. You do have to be flexible in your approach also. If you're working, I think you need to prioritize a bit. You should concentrate that much harder because you tend to lose focus. Bookkeeping will also take up your time. Maybe financial matters is something which will lead to disagreements with family members. That is 11th to 20th June. We have the Knight of Pentacles for Scorpions. I think you're someone who wants the status quo to be maintained. But if somebody wants to provoke you, then you're not going to sit tight. You will retaliate. To be work offers this time, but then maybe they don't excite you enough. While working also, you need to be kindly disposed towards colleagues. This will definitely help you further your cause. Scorpions, I'm also picking up that maybe your superior is breathing down your neck. Maybe there's too much scrutiny. Perhaps she could also be a bit annoyed because you're someone who wants to get ahead. You don't want her to watch what you're doing closely. You can expect surprise visits by the administrator or even your boss. Reunions also quite likely this June for Scorpions. Days of June, we have the Star card. Definitely this is talking about your fate, your destiny. I think you will realize that you can't fight destiny. This is also the time when you need to learn, whether it comes to spiritual matters or when it comes to work-related affairs. Sometimes, Scorpions, your expectations may not be met. There'll also be those spur-of-the-moment decisions. Maybe someone is also deliberately trying to hinder your plans, so this means that there are roadblocks in your way, but you're quite ingenious and you will find a way. Ideally, I think, Scorpions, this month you should control the situation rather than allow it to go out of hand. With respect to your love life, I have this beautiful card. Reality is that I'm never over you. Certainly, Scorpions, you could be a bit nostalgic this month, or maybe there's somebody who has a corner for you, and this person can't seem to get over the memories that are there. Someone is definitely yearning for you. Maybe you're also in an unacknowledged relationship. Maybe you will cross paths with this person. Or perhaps some of you are also dealing with a person with whom you will reconnect. You may wonder what this person is about. Perhaps he is like the knight in shining armor. He is going to accept that you were never far from his mind. That is why we have this card. Reality is that I'm never over you. That is why he is re-entering your life this month. Maybe you should also acknowledge your feelings in case someone is pursuing you. You know, this person has definitely set your heart aflutter. You will enjoy the attention. I think you're also going to be someone who is going to flaunt your lover. Maybe you will introduce him to friends and acquaintances, and they are going to be blessing your union. Some of you could also go for those dinner dates, but your health could also pour water on your plans. So maybe your lover could recreate the romance at home. On the other hand, in case you're in an unhappy relationship, you should avoid disagreements. Maybe a third person is provoking your spouse or your partner to react. Infidelity could also be an issue. Those of you who are in a secret romance, or in case yours is an extramarital or third party romance, you should be very careful because the chances are high that your love life could be out in the open. From the Archangel Raphael healing deck, we have this card, alternative medicine. Perhaps Scorpions, you should focus on another line of treatment here. Maybe you should take a second opinion, or maybe you should go for alternative medicine as in Ayurveda, homeopathy, Reiki. All these healing modalities could definitely benefit you this month. It could also mean that someone around you needs to seek a second opinion as well. The last card in this reading, Scorpions, is workshops and seminars. I think your throat chakra is going to be very active. Maybe you are someone who will attend workshops, or perhaps you're also going to be a public speaker. You will definitely gain by attending these workshops and seminars this month. All in all, Scorpions, this month, you're going to be very energized. You want to get ahead. Besides, destiny is also going to play a part this month. I hope, Scorpions, you liked your reading. This is Starr with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.